So we were talking about descriptive statistics, inferential statistics. Mohan was mentioning, and you were talking about the probability.
Yeah.
So there are two types of reasoning. One is probabilistic reasoning, and statistical reasoning. So what exactly is the difference between them? So what is the exact difference between probabilistic reasoning and
Statistical
okay?
reasoning.
Okay. So you guys can help me out to understand the difference.
Don't worry, Late. I'll help you out in understanding the difference between probabilistic and statistical reasoning. So let's explore probabilistic reasoning. Let's suppose I know exactly the proportions of the car makes in California. So then I can find the probability of the first car I see in the street is Ford. This is probabilistic reasoning.
Exactly. It's kind of pure math.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah. So as I know the population and then I can predict the sample. It is as simple as that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So then, what is statistical reasoning?
Yes, sir. Our senior data scientist very well explained about the probabilistic reasoning. So, yes, when we know the proportion, we can do the probabilistic reasoning. So you know the proportions of that Ford car you mentioned, right? So then we can do this probabilistic reasoning. But what if we don't know the proportional? So in that time, what we have to do?
Correct.
We have to take the sample. So we have to estimate. So
Exactly.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So here now suppose that I do not know the proportions of the car that it makes in California. So but we would like to estimate them. I observe a random sample of cars in the street and then I have to estimate of the proportions. So of the population. So this is the statistical reasoning.
So to put it simple, so probabilistic reasoning and statistical reasoning are closely related concepts, but they have some fundamental difference. So probabilistic reasoning refers to the use of probability theory to make predictions or draw conclusions about the likelihood of events or outcomes. So this can involve calculating probabilities based on known data or using subjective estimates. Sometimes we use subjective estimates. Example, you are talking about the weather. It's subjective estimate of probabilities based on past experience or intuition. So this is probabilistic reasoning is often used in decision making contexts where uncertainty is present and there is a need to weigh the risks and benefits of different options. So whereas on the flip side, statistical reasoning on the other hand refers to the use of statistical methods and techniques to analyze, interpret data and to draw conclusions about the characteristics of complete a population based on a sample of the data. Okay? From population come down to the sample of data. So inferences of population from the sample of data. So this can involve calculating summary statistics. Example, mean, median, mode, performing hypothesis test, performing significance test, building models to build a relationship between variables. So statistical reasoning is often used in scientific research or business analysis where data driven insights are needed to guide decision making.